Hey guys, if you are looking for best water purifiers for home, you chose the right video. Today we going to review top 5 best water purifiers for home on market. After spending 2 weeks research, we make this list based on features, quality, prices, customers' reviews, and durability. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Frizzlife RO Reverse Osmosis Water Filtration System. The best water purifiers for home is the Frizzlife RO Reverse Osmosis Water Filtration System. High-grade reverse osmosis membrane with 0.1 micron filtration precision is used in the Frizzlife PD600 under-counter filter. Water is decently purified using 3 enormous filters and 7 filtering stages. Tankless construction is used in the Frizzlife PD600. A small, simple filter system with a streamlined design saves space under the kitchen sink by taking up less room. The smart display panel tells real-time out TDS and the remaining lifespan of each filter. The built-in TDS system constantly monitors the quality of your drinking water 24/7. Acting as an intelligent reminder, the color-coded indicators will always remind you to change filters in advance. With all parts included and well-organized instructions and videos, Frizzlife PD600 RO filter can be completely installed in a few minutes by yourself. At number 2 is Tru-Countertop Water Filtration System. The best water purifiers in the USA is the Tru-Countertop Water Filtration System. With Tru, your water is not just filtered, it's purified. Tru's patented 4-stage ultra-reverse osmosis technology is certified by IAPMO to NSF standards to remove 83 contaminants, including arsenic, lead, chlorine, fluoride, nitrates, heavy metals, FOS, and many more. See no installation or plumbing required. Just plug in and purify. Tru's affordable filters are made to last for 1,200 gallons. That's a filter change every 6 months to 2 years. Just one set of Tru's water purifier filters makes the equivalent of 4,500 single-use, 16.9 oz plastic water bottles. The third position product in our list is the Epic Pure Water Filter Pitchers. You can drink with confidence using the Epic Pure Water Filter Pitcher because it has undergone rigorous testing by numerous independent labs to ensure that it removes over 200 plus known water contaminants, including fluoride, heavy metals like lead and mercury, pesticides, herbicides, trace amounts of pharmaceuticals, and volatile organic compounds. This large water filtration pitcher for refrigerator is easy to pour and refill. This space-efficient gravity water filter system jug fits perfectly on refrigerator shelves and is great for families. At number 4, Zero Water Filter Dispenser. Zero Water Filter Dispenser is one of the best water purifiers for home. The 20-cup water filtration dispenser from Zero Water has large capacity and a small appearance. Technology that adapts to your mobile lifestyle is called ReadyPour, while the reservoir is still filtering. You can dispense filtered water thanks to ReadyPour technology. The small design features a push and pour spout that you can use with one hand to easily pour water into a cup or preferred water bottle. Your tap water is converted into excellent, TDS-free drinking water by the 5-stage filter. At number 5, uv+uf Countertop Water Filter. The long-lasting R100 Robot filters only need to be changed every 12 to 24 months and eliminate 99.99% of pollutants. Better yet, you won't ever have to worry about forgetting to change the filters because the clever reminder system will remind you to do so, providing you and your family with premium water for years to come. The countertop water filters last for a long time, between 12 to 24 months, to provide 1-2 years of clean drinking water before needing replacement. Filters are also designed to help save water with an impressive 2:1 pure-to-drain ratio. Monitor display shows the service life of filters and water quality so you can easily keep track of filter replacement and periodically switch out filter tubes. 1-year warranty can be found in the manual or uv+uf official website. Simply scan the QR code and fill out the purchase information for 1-year manufacturer warranty registration. All the products we mention are available in present market. To get the link, check description below. Please subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to get notified our next video. Thanks for watching.